Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were on exercise 10.2 in which we have done up to question number 6. So in the today's session, I'm going to start with the question number 7 of exercise 10.2. So first of all, I'll just mention the topic here, that is chapter 10, measurement of weight. This is measurement of weight, exercise 10.1. Okay, so the question number 7 is, so this question number 7 is basically divided into 4 parts, A, B, C and D. Okay, the question is, 1 kg of rice costs 47 rupees and 20 paisa. Find the cost of 3 kg rice. So the cost of 1 kg rice is given, that is 47 rupees and 20 paisa. We need to find out the price of 3 kg. In the A part, we need to find the price of 3 kg. So let's write down A part. Cost of 1 kg rice is equal to, cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 47 rupees and 20 paisa. Next, we need to find out the cost of 3 kg rice. So the cost of 3 kg rice, that we will find out by multiplying the cost of 1 kg rice with 3. So 47 rupees 20 paisa multiplied by 3. Okay. So 47 rupees 20 paisa multiplied by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, 3 sevens are 21, 2, 3 fours are 12 plus 2. That is 14. In the question, we are having, after decimal, we are having 2 digits. So we will put a decimal, where after that we are having 2 digits. And this is rupees. So this is the cost of 3 kg of rice. So the cost of 3 kg rice is 141 rupees and 60 paisa. Write down the solution sentence. Therefore, the cost of 3 kg rice is 141 rupees and 60 paisa. So this is the solution of the A part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the B part. The B part is, now the B part we need to find out the price of 500 gram of rice. We need to find out the 500 gram of rice. Okay. So before telling you about the B part, if you remember, when I was introducing the topic, at that time we have done that how many kilograms will make 1 gram and all, sorry, will make 1 kg. Okay. So we are going to follow with that only. Okay, if you remember, 500 gram will equal to 1 kg. Okay, so that means 500 gram. Matlab, if we do the half of 1 kg, that is 500 gram is equal to half kg. Okay, just 1 minute. 500 gram is equal to half kg. Remember that I have told you. Okay. So this concept we are going to take and we will solve it this wise. So okay, so it is given 500 grams. So we know 500 gram is equal to half kg. So in spite of taking 500 grams, because the cost of 1 kg is given, okay, but we need to find the cost of grams. So we will convert this gram into kg. We will convert this gram into kg, or you can 500 gram is equal to, you can convert it by dividing 500 with 1000. ओके 500 को 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे 5 0 दिस इज 5 अपॉन 10 दोनों को अलग सेम टेबल से डिवाइड करेंगे दैट इज 5 सो दिस इज 1 एंड दिस इज 2 so in spite of following such a long concept you can simply know 500 gram is equal to half kg okay so we need to find out तो चलिए 500 gram is equal to 1 upon 2 kg. Okay. So 500 gram को हमने kg में convert किया, we got 1 upon 2. Now the cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 47 rupees. The cost of 1 kg rice is 47 rupees 20 paisa. We need to find the cost of 1 upon 2 kg or 500 gram. You can write. Okay. So for that we need to multiply the cost of 1 kg with the cost of the half kg. Okay. So this is 47 rupees 20 paisa multiply 1 upon 2. So 47.20 paisa multiplied by 1. This will be 47 rupees 20 paisa divided by 2. Now simply divide this 47 rupees 20 paisa divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Bring down 7. 4 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 2. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Bring down 0. Okay, now we will bring down the 0. Okay, so 2 zeros are 0, nothing. So we got 2360. But in the question in 2 decimals, so that will be 23.60. This is 23.60. So this is the cost of 500 gram of rice or half kg of rice. So write down therefore cost of 500 gram of rice is 23 rupees and 60 paisa. So this is the cost of 500 gram of rice, that is 23 rupees and 60 paisa. And this is the solution for the B part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Moving next to the C part. The C part is, we need to find the cost of 250 gram of rice. 250 gram of rice. Okay. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 250 gram is equal to 250 upon 1000 kg, right? Now divide this with the same number, okay? We can divide this both with 250, दोनों को 250 से divide करो. So 250 divided by 250, that is 1. 1000 divided by 250, that is 4, is equal to 1 upon 4 kg. So 250 gram is equal to 1 upon 4 kg. So now next, cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 47 rupees 20 paisa. The cost of 1 kg rice is 47 rupees and 20 paisa. We need to find the cost of 1 upon 4 kg rice. So for that we will multiply the cost of 1 kg with the cost of the total quantity of rice, that is 1 upon 4. So 47 rupees 20 paisa multiply by 1 upon 4. Okay. Next, we need to find out 47 rupees 20 paisa multiply by 1 upon 4. 47 multiply 47 by 1, that is 47.20 divided by 4. 47 rupees 20 paisa divided by 4. 47. Okay, so that I am doing here. Okay, you have to do it below only. Divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0. Bring down 7. 4 ones are 4. This is 3. Bring down 2. Okay. 4 nines are, 4 eights are 32. This is 32. 32 minus 32, that is 0. Bring down the 0. 4 zeros are 0 minus. So after in the equation, after decimal we are having 2 digits, so we will put a decimal here. So this is the cost of 1 upon 4 kg rice, that is 11 rupees and 80 paisa. So that's what I am writing here, that is 11 rupees and 80 paisa. So let's write down the solution sentence. Therefore, the cost of 250 gram of, therefore the cost of 250 gram of rice is 11 rupees and 80 paisa. So this is the cost of 250 gram of rice. And this is the solution for the C part as well. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. So, first of all, 250 gram of rice we have to convert in kg. The reason, because the cost of 1 kg was given. If the cost of gram was given, we must have done it that only. But it was given in kg, the cost of kg was given. So first of all, we need to convert it. Okay, if you remember during when we were doing the fraction chapter, in that chapter we used to convert the given numbers into its least lowest term. तो हमने यहाँ पे lowest term में convert किया. Okay, so after converting into its lowest term, we got all this. Okay, that is 1 upon 4. Now the cost of 1 kg rice was given, that is 47 rupees 20 paisa. We need to find the cost of 1 upon 4 kg. So 47 rupees 20 paisa multiply 1 upon 4, and after the calculation and all we got, that is 11 rupees and 80 paisa. So this is the solution for the C part of question number 7. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the D part of question number 7. Moving next to the D part of question number 7. The D part is, we need to find the cost of 200 gram of rice. 200 gram. Okay. Again, 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. 200 gram is equal to 200 upon 1000 kg. So let's convert it into its lowest term. चाहो तो आप यहाँ पर भी इसको cancel कर सकते हो. Okay, you can cancel it, but that okay. So 200 upon 1000 divided by 200. दोनों को 200 से डिवाइड करिए. So 200 divided by 200 will be 1. 1000 divided by 200, that is 5. So after converting into its lowest term, we got 1 upon 5 kg. Now we can easily do cost of 1 kg rice is equal to 47 rupees and 20 paisa. We need to find cost of 1 upon 5 kg rice. That is, cost of 1 kg rice will be multiplied with the quantity, that is 1 upon 5. So 47.20 paisa, it is 47 rupees 20 paisa multiply 1 upon 5. So this will be 47 rupees 20 paisa divided by 5. Okay. Now just simply divide 47 rupees 20 paisa with 5. 5 8s are, 5 9s are 45. 47, 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Break down 2. 4 5s are 20. 22 minus 20, that will be 2, 0. Bring down the next 0. This is 20. Next, 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is left. So in the question after decimal we are having 2 digits. So put a point here. So this is the cost of 1 upon 5 kg rice, which is 9 rupees and 54 paisa. So write down, therefore the cost of 200 gram of rice is 9 rupees and 54 paisa. And this is the solution for the question, the D part of question number 7. Okay. Similarly, just like the previous two, we have done this as well. So first of all, we have to convert the given quantity into the fraction that we have done. And then we have calculated by the simple calculation. The cost of 1 was given, that was 47 rupees 20 paisa. Cost of 1 upon 5 we need to find out. Okay, after multiplying we got this. So this is 9 rupees and 54 paisa. Okay, so this is the cost of 200 gram of rice. And this is the solution for the D part as well. Okay, so with this we have completed all the 4 parts of question number 7. Okay, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. And this is from my today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending the today's session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.